Hi, I'm Rob, owner at Modern Wellness Clinic, right here in Las Vegas. At Modern Wellness, we focus on helping men and women optimize their health, energy, and overall well-being through personalized, science-backed treatments. Today, we're talking about TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, a topic that's becoming more and more relevant for men of all ages. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a critical role in muscle development, mood, energy, and even cognitive function. But as men age, typically after 30, testosterone levels naturally decline at a rate of about 1% per year. That might not sound like much, but over a decade, that's a noticeable drop that can affect your motivation, strength, and overall quality of life. If you've noticed lower energy, decreased sex drive, brain fog, or unexplained weight gain, those could all be signs of low testosterone. TRT, or testosterone replacement therapy, is a medically supervised treatment designed to bring testosterone levels back to a healthy, balanced range. In simple terms, it's about restoring what your body is missing so you can feel and perform like yourself again. TRT helps by replenishing circulating testosterone in your bloodstream. This can improve red blood cell production, muscle protein synthesis, and even serotonin levels, all of which contribute to better energy, focus, and mood. But it's not just about hormones. At Modern Wellness Clinic, we take a full body approach. We look at your blood work, your sleep, your nutrition, your stress levels, and overall metabolic health, because balancing testosterone isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Now, a lot of men ask, is TRT safe? And the answer is, when done correctly under professional supervision, it's very safe. We perform detailed lab testing before treatment and continuously monitor your hormone levels throughout the process. We recommend every 3 months to come into our clinic and do your blood work analysis to get all proper data and keep you on track. This ensures your therapy is optimized for results while minimizing any potential side effects. Many patients notice improvements within a few weeks: better sleep, clearer thinking, increased muscle tone, and a stronger sense of confidence and vitality. I've been on TRT for many years and personally have felt a huge difference. It's not just about feeling younger, it's about performing better physically, mentally, and emotionally. If you think you might be experiencing symptoms of low testosterone, the best next step is simple. Schedule a consultation at Modern Wellness Clinic. We can run your lab tests, review your results, and create a custom TRT plan based on your individual needs and goals. If you're ready to take control of your energy, confidence, and overall well-being, click the link below to book your telehealth consultation or explore our full range of services. You can even order select medications online directly through our website. Like and subscribe for more content like this.